Welcome to RV Country, where you'll find the right RV for the right price. Our goal is to provide you with sound information so you can make a well-informed decision and start building those lasting RVing memories.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Have questions? Please give us a call. We're here to help you start enjoying the RV lifestyle.